regression also. So in stepwise regression is helpful to remove the multicollinearity automatically, right? So for stepwise, you have to choose the linear regression, right? In the linear regression, you can take all the independent variable, right? Because right now I don't know what is the like which variable is creating the multicollinearity, right? I want to remove the multicollinearity with the help of stepwise method. So I can take all the dependent variables. Okay. First of all, let me remove these files. Yeah. Now you can just run the linear regression here of the multi engine displacement also, and select the stepwise method here, right? Just select the stepwise method here. Go to statistic and select the collinearity diagnostic. Just check the collinearity diagnostic. Continue. First of all, uncheck the collinearity. Just simple, you can leave as a simple estimates and model fit, right? I just opt the multiple stepwise regression here, and all independent variables and one dependent variable. Then click on OK. You will see this is the result of stepwise method, and in the stepwise regression model, you will see there is only two variables has been entered. First is vehicle weight and second is horsepower. Stepwise regression automatically remove the engine displacement. Even if I have not select the collinearity, still stepwise has removed the engine displacement, right? So now you can see in the model summary, in the second column, it is showing that 671. 671 is why I am taking the second row, because second row is shows the with the both variables, right? In the first one, it is only one with the vehicle weight. The first row is only for the vehicle weight regression, but in the second row, it is with both horsepower and the vehicle weight. So my model is 0.671. If you remember earlier, it was also the same 0.671, right? Now, in the coefficient table, you will find that they all are significant. Why they all are significant? Because there is no engine displacement. Engine displacement was creating the problem, was creating the multicollinearity. But as I choose the stepwise regression automatically remove the multicollinearity, right? There is no need to explain the things about the multicollinearity in this particular analysis, because they already removed the engine displacement and other two variables are significant, and my model is also improved, that is 67.1%. So stepwise multiple regression is useful and very much popular to remove the multicollinearity, right? Hope this thing has been clear to you.